Hey everyone, hope you're all well and staying safe. Just a brief video update today on a couple of points. Just going to touch on the business bounce back loan that I talked about last week, the self-employed support payments that hopefully will be coming through soon, furlough payments, just if any of you have got questions around those, and a bit of a thank you as well. I think it's important at the moment. So the business bounce back loans are open now. Well, with most banks, I've heard varying stories. They are everything that we expected them to be last week, which is positive. There's no personal guarantees. There's no repayments for 12 months. There's no interest to pay on the loan for the first 12 months. And the interest is fixed at a flat rate of 2.5%. I think a flat rate of 2.5% is probably about double that on an APR, but I'm not 100% on that one. You are supposed to be able to apply through a network of lenders, but apparently in the first instance, it's much easier to go through your own bank. Most of the banks are up and running with a simple online 1 or 2 page form, and people have had the money in a matter of days. So I've had some really positive stories. I did try it with our own bank, Barclays, who, to be perfectly honest with you, are absolutely useless. And because of some anomaly on our bank, the loan application page wasn't even available to us. So that tells you all you need to know about them. So yeah, give that a go. If you need the money, it looks to be a great scheme. Obviously, it's still borrowing money at the end of the day, so don't if you don't need to. We're getting quite a lot of questions around furlough payments. We've got all our furlough applications in, but obviously, as you imagine, we've got hundreds of them to do. Elaine has battled on bravely and got them all through in a kind of phased approach. Some payments are coming through at the moment, but not many. I would ask you all not to keep emailing her to check where your claim's up to. The more emails she gets, the further behind she gets, the less she can do. And because it's a 3-week rolling kind of furlough application process, she'll be back applying for them again now. So all our applications are in. If you've given her the details, if you've emailed the furlough email address, then we will be making that application for you. For those of you who haven't received your money, don't worry, it will be on the way. It might, I had a check of a claim recently, and it's probably going to be a couple of weeks yet. So it may well be that kind of time frame. Sorry, we can't do more, but that's just the way it is. It's just a physical impossibility to get everybody's money immediately. Self-employed payments are going to be coming through soon. Probably in about a week's time. The application process will open. What HMRC have done is that they've started letting some people they've released a link where you can check if you've got an online account with HMRC. You can check whether you're eligible for the self-employed support payment. Those of our self-employed clients who are at Teenager 4, we can access that link and we can check, but we can't make the application process for you. So just to be clear, what I'm strongly recommending, any of my clients who want a self-employed support payment, register immediately for a government gateway account if you can. I just tried it myself just to check the link, and it doesn't take a great deal of time, maybe 5 or 10 minutes. That government gateway account should be open within a week or two. The government gateway ID comes through straight away, sorry. So in a week or two, you would be able to apply for the self-employed support. HMRC did initially say they're going to contact everybody, and they will, but if you've got an online account, and you're eligible to apply, you can do that yourself and be proactive with it, and therefore get the money sooner. Those of you who haven't got an online account, don't want to access your HMRC information online, then that's fine, but you'll be waiting till June or maybe later for them to contact you and for them to process the payment. So I'll put a link in where the application process starts in the video description. Get yourself the gateway account if you can, and then you can self-administer all that. We can't do it for you, unfortunately. Finally, a thank you. A big thank you to all our clients who've taken the time to get in touch to thank us for everything that we've done. We've had some really nice messages, some really touching sort of emails and calls from clients, and we share them with all the team, and that they're very much appreciated. So I just want to say thank you to all of you for the feedback you've given us. And finally, I think at times like this, it's really good for businesses to sort of give a bit of support to others that have helped those to help them. So we a client of ours, actually, we have a policy of using clients for services wherever possible, and a client of ours called Gecko has taken over all our telephone systems and computer support. And very fortunately for us, probably maybe a couple of months ago, probably around January time, we moved our phone system over to an online phone system, and we gave the staff the ability to work from home before this all kicked off. So Gecko was sort of instrumental, and this was just all kicking off as the lockdown came. So they've been brilliant in helping give us remote working, in giving us a better phone system, and supporting all the team with all the issues that we've had that inevitably comes with a lot of people all working from home all at once. So I'll get a little summary from them on what they do, and I'll put that in the video email body as well. So if any of you are sort of wanting a bit more help with the phone IT, all that kind of thing, then I'd thoroughly recommend that. Okay, hope everyone's okay, and I hope that's useful, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks, bye.